Hello everyone and welcome back to JT on the Go. Since today is the 4th of July, I decided to do something that'll make this video one for the books in JT on the Go history. I'm going to use my DJI Mini 3 Pro drone to watch the fireworks from above when they go off tonight. This is the first time my DJI Mini 3 Pro ever flew at night, and this is the first time that I used the drone to get a view of fireworks on the 4th of July. Hope you enjoy. As we hear the fireworks popping in the distance, that means that the fireworks are already lifting off. So let's get going. And we're off looking for fireworks. I apologize if the drone footage looks a little blurry. The fireworks are going to be little colorful dots that'll be popping in the air. So keep your eyes peeled. They are out there. The fireworks can also be seen as sparkles glittering in the distance. Fireworks are being launched from almost every direction. In my opinion, I think it is really cool to use a drone to see a fireworks show happen and experience it. After the drone ran out of battery, I decided to bring it back and just go inside and call it a day because I was getting tired and I was getting bitten by mosquitoes. But to stay up and go to bed late at night to see a fireworks show from a drone was worth it in my opinion. Thanks for watching this video of fireworks spotting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon. This is JT on the Go signing off. Happy 4th of July.